So what Booster meant to us is growth. My name is Valerie Vanhooren. I'm CEO and co-founder of Ona Therapeutics. We at Ona are focusing on making a difference in the life of patients with advanced cancer, and we are making first-in-class antibody-drug conjugates. So the Booster program has helped us a lot. It was instrumental. Ona Therapeutics was already established in the PCB, but by support of this program, we managed to extend our lab, extend our team, build our knowledge, and nowadays we have a really good pipeline of multiple candidates who will make an impact in the life of patients. So Accelerator has been fundamental to us because we really needed to grow, and we needed to find budget for that and space and be able to grow the team. So it's been fundamental for our growth. For me, it's also very important that this is local support. We want to put Catalonia on the map to make a center of excellence, and getting this local support really engages us, puts us on the map, gives us a network between other companies. So we're very grateful for that. Of course, we have our first clinical candidate, which is called Ona 255. It is an antibody drug conjugate which targets specifically chemo to the tumor cells, and we are positioning this molecule in breast cancer and gastric cancer and other indications. During this period, we have identified our candidate, started IND enabling studies, meaning we did toxicology studies, we did manufacturing, and we are on our way to hit the clinical trial by the end of this year. So if I look at the future, the new challenges are, of course, we always need to find more money. We are going for a Series B investment round, which is looking very promising. So challenges is continue to find resources, to find investment, and the future hopefully would be that our molecule makes a huge impact in the life of patients.